Yeah, g'day. We're down here at the PACT Sydney Charles Quarter project, which I don't know, about $120 million project where the old City Motors used to be, and PACT sadly were picked to be the builder for this project. This is what happens with the race to the bottom, where they go put the job out to tender, get a realistic price off a few builders who know how to do it, and then sadly someone comes in and thinks they can do it, undercuts. First thing that comes off the top is safety, conditions and wages, sadly. Workers end up subsidising the project. Since the start of the project, we've been plagued with issues with regards to safe access and egress to work fronts. The condition of some of the materials that are being delivered to site is absolutely deplorable. This is materials, a lot of it, that's actually been deemed from a previous company that went bankrupt, been deemed not suitable for use whatsoever and needed to be scrapped, and now all of a sudden it's started to find its way back into circulation. Come here the other day when it was raining. What do you reckon, about 20 mil average?
At least.
Workers were walking through where their boots were that wet that it had started coming up their pants past their knees. The water had soaked up that bad, and all PACT could do was blame everyone else, say it wasn't their scope, and they tried to set up exclusion zones around it. Workers deserve better than this. This is third world conditions that we've been seeing.
And as you can see over here, they've decided to close the gate. The moments before the gate was open, what they're trying to hide is the state of the job. The pedestrian delineation is a joke. We've gone through there, we've come to dead ends, we've come to areas where we've been obstructed through, whether it be pipes or Rio. We've seen steps that haven't met the standards, haven't met the regs. We've put it to them in writing, asking them to resolve the issue, to get it fixed. All they say is, we'll take that on board. That's not good enough.
A lot of the workers on this project, the ones that have been around for a fair while, they're seeing it as more of a short-term thing until something better rocks up. I mean, the main labour hire company that's on here, every single person's casual. They got a very average base rate when it comes down to it. It's a flat rate.
No penalties.
No penalties, no travel, no redundancy, income protection, anything like that. For $100+ million project to be built in such an iconic place and then be built in the near on third world conditions with some of the safety issues we've seen that are absolutely abhorrent and have no place in any country, let alone a modern country such as Australia that's meant to have better standards and better safety systems and better methodologies, procedures, and mate, we know better. You know, all this stuff's been done before. There's plenty of companies out there that can do the right thing, but the problem is when you got shitbags that are acting like this and undercutting the wages and conditions, the job's destined to fail. The workers here, we don't blame any one of them. Every single one of them's busting their ass trying to do the best they can. Sadly, they're getting let down by their management and then also the management of the project. So, PACT, if you want to pretend to be in that second tier realm, you've got a lot of growing up to do.
We will keep on coming down here, and we will keep on advocating for workers' rights, good pay, good conditions. It's as simple as that. They are the principal PCBU, and they need to take that seriously.
The CFMEU WA, here for good.